Is TapTap Send available in Nigeria? If you're wondering whether TapTap Send is accessible for users in Nigeria, the good news is TapTap Send is available in Nigeria. The platform has gained popularity as a reliable and affordable way to send and receive money internationally. It supports transactions directly to Nigerian bank accounts or mobile money platforms, making it convenient for users across the country. TapTap Send's focus on low fees and competitive exchange rates has made it a favorite among Nigerians sending or receiving funds from abroad. Transactions are processed quickly, often within minutes, which is ideal for urgent transfers. Additionally, the platform ensures secure transfers with robust encryption and compliance with financial regulations. To use TapTap Send in Nigeria, recipients simply need to provide their bank account details or mobile money information. For senders outside Nigeria, the process is straightforward through the app or website. In a nutshell, TapTap Send is available in Nigeria and offers a safe, fast, and cost-effective way to handle international money transfers. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks!